another chapter that is of photosynthesis in higher plants. What is photosynthesis? Where it is occur? How it is occur? We study from lower classes, from 5th onwards, 4th onwards, we study photosynthesis step by steps. In lower classes we give the different types of definitions of the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, through the photosynthesis, the green plant prepare food for all organisms. The food present in the nature that formed from the green plants, that is the photosynthesis, means the whole requirement of organism that produced only by the green plants. None of the other organisms can prepare food in the nature. Only the organism, that is green plant, prepare food for the all. A simple definition of photosynthesis, we can say that green plant, that means chlorophyll. Prepare food in presence of sunlight by carbon dioxide and water, that is photosynthesis. Green plant prepare food in the presence of sunlight by carbon dioxide and water, that is the photosynthesis. I correct it. 12H2O, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. This is the complete equation of the. So here light energy is involved and the chlorophyll or green pigment convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This is the complete equation of that photosynthesis. Green plant prepare food in the presence of sunlight by carbon dioxide and water, that is the photosynthesis. What is the history of photosynthesis? History. How the complete process of photosynthesis is found out by the different scientists. So we see, we studied in 10th class that chlorophyll is essential for the photosynthesis through that activity, that is of variegated plant leaves. Variegated plant leaves. In that experiments or then in that activity, we take the variegated potted plants and put into first dark for D-star, then to sunlight for the photosynthesis, then kept the leaves and took the starch test. Means only the starch is formed at that place where is the chloroplast was there. And variegated leaves क्या होती है? That is of variegated leaves or mottled leaves in which green and yellow patches is there. So in green patches only chloroplast is there, but not in yellow patches. That's so the chlorophyll is essential for the photosynthesis. We study in the last class, previous class. One more activity we studied, that is CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. For this experiment, we took 2 potted plants and kept into the bell jar. In one potted plants we kept, that is KOH. KOH absorbed the carbon dioxide which is present inside the bell jar. Then both the transparent to light, and after that plug the leaves from both the plants and take the starch taste. So this will give the positive taste and this will give negative taste. Why? Because in this bell jar the carbon dioxide was present that helped in the photosynthesis, utilized in the photosynthesis, but in this bell jar, that carbon dioxide was there, which is absorbed by the potassium hydroxide. So it gives the negative taste. These both two activities we studied in the previous class. Now another experiments that show the light is and chloroplast, light, chloroplast and carbon dioxide is essential for the photosynthesis. That is the moles experiment. Moles experiment or moles half leaf experiment. Moles half leaf experiment. What is the moles half leaf experiment? In this experiment, take up the potted plants. Potted plants first kept into dark for D-stars, and then inside the dark we take one flask. In that flask we insert the half leaf inside the flask. यानी पोटेड प्लांट लेते हैं और डार्क में ही इस प्लांट की आधी लीव्स कहां डाल दी, इस फ्लास्क के अंदर डाल दी. एंड दैट फ्लास्क कंटेन KOH. After kept into the light for some times, and after that plug the leaves and take the starches. इस leaves का starches लेते हैं तो 3 पोर्शन आते हैं. This is outside the flask. This is in between the cork. ये यहाँ पे cork में था, यहाँ पे इस जगह पे था, और this is inside the flask. So here KOH was there, so which absorbed the carbon dioxide, so it gives negative taste. Here sunlight was not there, यहाँ sunlight नहीं थी और carbon dioxide भी नहीं मिल पाई, तो again this one gives negative taste, but it is outside the flask. ये flask के बाहर था, इसको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी मिल गई, सनलाइट भी मिल गई, सो इट विल गिव द पॉजिटिव टेस्ट. सो इसके थ्रू अपन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और सनलाइट का एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं, जिससे वो पॉजिटिव टेस्ट और नेगेटिव टेस्ट का पता चलता है. यानी these two portions give negative taste of stars and this gives positive taste of the stars. Then after Joseph Priestley discovered the oxygen. Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen with the help of following experiment. उसने क्या किया, उन्होंने एक बेल जार लिया और उन्होंने इसमें एक माउस रखा. That will be dead. दूसरा बेल जार लिया, इनमें इसने कैंडल जलाई. That will be थोड़ी देर बाद ही बुझ जाती. तीसरा लिया, जिसके अंदर एक पोटेड प्लांट लिया, माउस and one candle is there. The mouse, candle and plant survive normally. After that they conclude that mouse, that the animals release impure air and absorb pure air, and the plants release pure air and absorb the impure air. And this is the pure impure theory which was given by the Joseph Priestley. According to pure impure theory, we release impure air and inhale pure air, but the plants absorb the impure air which was released via and release pure air that will be useful for us. So Joseph Priestley ने ही ऑक्सीजन को फाइंड आउट किया था. उसके बाद Ingenhouse, they showed from their experiments that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. then इनसे हमने बताया पता लगाया कि सनलाइट भी फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए एसेंशियल होती है. that sunlight is essential for the photosynthesis. then J1 Sek describe the starch. Starch is the first product of the photosynthesis. इन्होंने बताया कि स्टार्च जो होता है, स्टार्च इज द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. इसी तरह से बाद में टी एंजलमेन, टी डब्ल्यू एंजल, इन्होंने द क्लोरोफिल स्पेक्ट्रम और स्पेक्ट्रम, लाइट स्पेक्ट्रम, which spectrum is utilized during the photosynthesis. Normally the sunlight, that is a visible spectrum, visible, that is from violet to red, big जो. तो इनमें से कौन सी सनलाइट में प्लांट फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं, कौन सी सनलाइट में प्लांट फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं करते हैं? दिस वाज described by the Angelman and von Mill. Angelman ने plant का light spectrum, then von Mill they show that oxygen is released during the photosynthesis that comes from H2O. Means oxygen which is released from during the photosynthesis that comes from water. जो फोटोसिंथेसिस में जो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होती है, जो कि वाटर से रिलीज होती है, न कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में. एंड दे गिव्स द सिंपल chemical equation of the photosynthesis, that is CH CO2 plus H2O, that is light, and CH2O plus O2, and this O2 is released from water, not from carbon dioxide. ये उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट शो किया था विद द हेल्प ऑफ H2S, विद द हेल्प ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. उन्होंने कुछ बैक्टीरिया भी फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ H2S. सो दे कैन नॉट रिलीज द ऑक्सीजन, H2S के थ्रू वो करते हैं. तो दैट मे बी H2S और H2A, so we can say A, and that A plus CH2O plus H2O. So here A is not oxygen, या और वाटर तो बनता है, परंतु A जो होता है, जो भी है यहाँ पे, means they prove with the help of bacteria the oxygen that release during the photosynthesis, which is comes from water, not from carbon dioxide. So उन्होंने H2S बैक्टीरिया लिए थे, जो कि H2S के थ्रू, सल्फर बैक्टीरिया लिए थे जो कि H2S के थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस करते थे. उनमें ऑक्सीजन रिलीज नहीं होती है. दे नॉट रिलीज द ऑक्सीजन ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस. देन the Blackman find out the dark reaction, in the plants, like that Robert Hill find out the light reaction, which was occur in the ग्रेना ऑफ द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. एंड ब्लैकमैन ने डार्क रिएक्शन के बारे में बताया था. इसी तरह से एमर्सन एंड अर्नोल्ड, फाइंड आउट द रेड ड्रॉप इफेक्ट, और that is of immersion effect. What is the immersion effect? We studied later that during utilizing of red light, that photosynthesis will be sharply decreases. That is of red drop effect. यानी red light को utilize करते हैं केवल red light को, तो photosynthesis rate sharply decrease होती है. That was find out by the Emerson and Arnold. So that's it is known as immersion effect. Like that, H and Slade. H and Slade they find out C4 cycle. इन्होंने C4 cycle के बारे में पता किया था कि C4 cycle क्या होता है. And then Kelvin find out C3 cycle. So this is the main point of the history through which find out different scientists the complete process of photosynthesis. Now, what is the site of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis की site क्या होती है? Site of photosynthesis that is leaves are that's organelle cell organelles is of chloroplast. The leaf is the site and chloroplast is the cell organelles where photosynthesis occur. Chloroplast cell organelle है जिसके अंदर photosynthesis होती है. Now we discuss the structure of chloroplast. What is the structure of chloroplast? Chloroplast term plastic term से बना है. Plastic term किसने दी थी? That was given by the Ernest Haeckel. Plastic and plastic was derived from plasticas. Plasticas means modulated, means it can be converted into another types of plastic. So plastic is of circular oval shape in structure. It is covered by the two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inside the chloroplast, the flayed sac-like structure is there. These flayed sac-like structure, singular structure is known as thylakoid. The single structure is known as thylakoids. But not single structure is there. The 10 to 100 thylakoids present one upon another. 10 से 100 thylakoids एक ऊपर होते हैं. That is known as grana. 10 to 100 thylakoids present one upon another that form grana. And these structure throughoutly distributed inside the chloroplast. Completely distributed inside the chloroplast के अंदर ये continuously distributed होते हैं. And these form like stacks of coins. ये single जो होता है which is looks like coin. This is single like this. This is the single plate structure like 5 rupees coin. This and when 10 to 100 5 rupees coin placed together, this form the grana, that stakes of coin. If we see inside these thylakoids, many granules is there. These granules is known as quantasomes. That is the unit of photosynthesis. We can say quantasome is the unit of the photosynthesis, and inside the quantasomes, the pigment is there. Inside quantasome, pigment is present. That is of chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, keratin. These are the main pigments which is present inside the quantasome: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, keratin and xanthophyll. Now, the structure which is present between two grana that is known as intergranum. It is also known as freight channel or freight lamella. freight channel और freight lamella भी कह सकते हैं, जो दो ग्रेना के बीच में होता है उसको इंटरग्रेनम कहते हैं. That is also known as freight channel or freight lamella. And the ground substance which has liquid or semi-liquid substance, that is known as stroma. Stroma also contain 70S ribosomes. That one DNA, that is of ctDNA, means chloroplast DNA, and different enzymes also present inside the stroma portion. So this is the detailed structure of chloroplast. Sometimes some starch droplets and lipid droplets is also there. So these two portion is there. First one is of thylakoid or grana, another is of stroma. Inside the thylakoids, that light reaction is there due to absorption of sunlight. And sunlight का absorption कौन करते हैं? These are the quantasome which is present inside the thylakoids. They absorb sunlight and convert into chemicals. And the stroma is the portion where is dark reaction is there, and dark reaction in which that carbon dioxide is converted into organic compounds by the utilization of energy which is absorbed by these क्वांटासोम्स. क्वांटासोम ने जो एनर्जी अब्जॉर्ब की थी उस एनर्जी को यूटिलाइज करेंगे डार्क रिएक्शन के अंदर, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कन्वर्ट होगी किसमें? ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स के अंदर, दैट इज ऑफ स्टार्च और एनी अदर कंपाउंड्स. सो नाउ दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ chloroplast.